Hello friend, I am Alex. So today I am just talking about how can we install Joomla framework on CentOS 7. So I come back to the server and this is my server is CentOS 7 and I type the hostname unixservice.tk. This is the hostname of my server. So unixservice.tk I already booked my domain from GoDaddy and also updated the name server. So I have created the username unique from my CentOS panel. Okay, I go to the directory home username unique and the public HTML. I download the Joomla tar file from the Joomla community here. You can also check here Joomla. Okay, enter. Okay, this is the free Joomla website where you can create a zip file, tar file and different template of Joomla according to your different version. So I come back up again my server. This is the okay. Now I check once more again here. Okay, I now unzip the file here. I type the command unzip and the tar file. Okay, this is extracting and this is the taking some moment. Just wait. Okay, now I check all the user files have the permission root. Now I have to change it unique with username. So chon command is used to change the user as well as group permission. So type unique unique and all the file recursive permission and including all the files including htx and dot file. Just wait. Okay, and I have checked all the files and directory has changed with the default user which I have created unique. Okay, now I come back to the database file. I created a database here name a testing database known as ACD. This is my database where it is created in the MySQL file. Okay, again I have created a user ACD, same user as well as database and localhost. Because I am creating a user in localhost directory, you can create as well as remote location where your database exists. And this is my password. Some dependency in their password you can use lowercase letter as well as uppercase letter in alphanumeric form. So now I give the privilege to specific database for the specific user. Okay, grant all privilege on ACD database. Okay, I copy here and the paste. Okay, this is type star. Okay, and now I type plus privileges to give all user specific to all database. Okay, now I go back to my system and exit from the directory MySQL. Okay, now I start the Apache services, restart Apache. Okay, now I go to the browser and also browsing the website unixservice.tk. Okay, so this is the default installation page of Joomla. So there is this some entity which I have to fill here, site name. So I type here demo and in description administrator email. I type the only you link @gmail.com in my administrator email address, and this is the username and this password. Okay, I go to the next step. Okay, next. Oh, this is the warning message. Okay, I have typed the some field which is empty in description. So I type here testing and make the site online. Okay, go to the next step. Okay, this is the MySQL phase. So this is the username, password and database name and some prefix entry which have to be filled here. So I type the username as well as password and my database name. Okay, I go to the next step. Okay, this is the some system file predefined check recommendation you have to fill up. You can also check the backup of old database. You can restore old database if you have. If you don't have, you can create a new database. Now go to the next step. Okay, this is install and this will take some time, so I got to pause the video and come back. Okay, now I again come back. This is my default administrator email address and this is the admin user. Now I go to the login panel to admin user, so I check mark on administrator and go back. Just wait, hold on 1 minute. Okay, now type user admin and the password I type in during configuration. Okay, let's login. So this is the simply framework of Joomla. There different of content where you can manage all the things of your website, and the user globally setting templates. So in this video we can learn how can install Joomla on CentOS 7. So please like this video, share this video. If you need more video, please like my page and comment here. Thank you for watching.